Welcome to Linuxel. Today we are going to see how to install Netdata on Oracle Linux 8.5. Netdata is an open source, scalable real-time system performance and health monitoring application for Unix-like systems such as Linux, FreeBSD and macOS that collects several metrics and visualizes them and enables you to watch operations on your system. It supports several plugins for monitoring current system status, running applications, and services including MySQL, MariaDB database server, and more. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Install the dependencies. Use the following command. Now download and install Netdata. Use the following command. Press yes. Now allow Netdata default port to pass through firewall. Use the following command. Now reload firewall service. To check the status of Netdata, use the following command. It's active and running. Now go to web browser. Enter the IP address. Use the Netdata default port number. This is the dashboard of Netdata. This is the CPU utilization. This is the system memory utilization. This is the performance of the system disk. With this, how to install Netdata on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.